Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gadgets.
Today, we're diving into the world of workout earbuds, and we've got an exciting contender on our hands.
The Soundcore Sport X10 True Wireless Bluetooth 5.2 Workout Headphones by Anker. Now, if you're like me and you love to get your sweat on while listening to your favorite tunes or podcasts,
then you know how crucial it is to have a pair of earbuds that can keep up with your active lifestyle.
Let's talk about why the Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds are making waves in the fitness community. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: comfort and fit.
These earbuds come with 210 degrees rotatable ear hooks that ensure a snug and secure fit, no matter how intense your workout gets. But comfort isn't the only thing these earbuds have going for them.
With a dynamic acoustic system that delivers 2 times more bass than standard drivers,
and bass-up technology that pumps up the bass even further in real time, you'll feel every beat and rhythm pushing you through your workout.
And let's not forget about durability.
The Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds are equipped with SweatGuard technology, protecting them against corrosive sweat,
and boasting an impressive IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning they can withstand rain and even complete submersion in water.
Now, when it comes to convenience, these earbuds have you covered. With up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, and a charging case that provides up to 32 hours of extra power, you can keep the music pumping through even the longest workout sessions. But perhaps one of the most impressive features of the Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds is their versatility. With transparency mode, you can hear your surroundings and conversations without removing your earbuds, keeping you aware and safe during outdoor activities.
So there you have it, folks. The Soundcore Sport X10 True Wireless Bluetooth 5.2 Workout Headphones by Anker. With their unbeatable comfort, durability, and sound quality, it's no wonder these earbuds are quickly becoming the go-to choice for fitness enthusiasts everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy sweating.